This is Sherry Bleho. Today we're going to review the vendor inquiry tools in Sage 100 from the perspective of the buyer or purchasing agent. In a distribution or manufacturing entity, the effectiveness of the purchasing agent results in direct dollars to the bottom line. Every dollar saved during the negotiation of inventory purchases is a full dollar of profits. So providing the buyer crucial information as they enter into the price negotiations with their vendors needs to be quick and easy. So let's look at how you can accomplish this with Sage 100. Your purchasing agent will be working under the PO folder. So we're going to go under the Purchase Order, Inquiries, Vendor Inquiry. Today we're going to be working with a supplier called Stevens Supply. On this main tab, we have the confirmation of our default payment terms that we've negotiated with Stevens. On the Statistics tab, we have a couple of pieces of crucial information. First, we can see that we last cut them a check in May and the amount of that check. We can also see that we owe them a total of $154,530. But most importantly, we can see that we're past due. With this standard aging grid, we can see we're behind. So now may not be a good time to enter into heavy contract negotiations. We may want to have accounting make a payment to get us current. Most importantly, your buyer knows all this before he initiates the conversations. So let's move along to the Summary tab. This tab provides good information for negotiations because we can quickly see the total dollars spent with Stevens this month, this year, and the prior year. Additionally, I can look at all my year's history to build a strong case about our financial commitment to Stevens as a business partner. On tab 5, the History tab provides additional purchase information in a month-over-month view. So your buyer can confidently state that for months we've had increasing volumes of activities with Stevens as another negotiating point. In this tab, you can see all your years of history. You can also show prior year, in this case the December activity, as well as the current year, April and May activity. The PO tab contains vital information also. Here we can discuss the delivery performance with Stevens. Items in red are those that are yet to meet the required ship date. The agent can drill down on any one of these purchase orders to discuss any specific details about that past due order. Under the More tab, there's some additional options, and I'm going to look specifically at the Items option. So your agent could get more granular about the information in the discussions. Let's say he specifically wanted to talk about a desk file, item 2480-8-50. Now he can see that there have been purchases of 10,000 units of this particular item that happened in May. And again, we can see all the year's histories and activity in a side-by-side comparison if we would like to as well. Finally, if your organization is utilizing the Memopad function of Sage 100, your agent can review all his comments about product issues, even looking at specific photographs or documents that have been attached. With all these facts at the buyer's fingertips, your firm should be able to negotiate better pricing, better terms, and shipping fees. With Sage 100, your purchasing team can bring thousands of dollars to the bottom line. Such a great tool set designed specifically with your buyers in mind.